Hi, this is Queen, Head of Customer Success here at AEvent. In the previous video, we've discussed what a campaign actually is, and I've shown you the different sections of your campaign. In this video, we will be doing a quick platform tour and your first login essentials. After you log in for the first time, you'll go through a short onboarding flow where you'll choose your experience level, either you're an apprentice, skilled, or expert, and you'll also be prompted for your theme preference, either light or dark. You can always update these later from your account menu. So let's start with your AEvent dashboard. So this is your full AEvent dashboard. It's the central hub for all your campaigns, your usage, and your analytics. Let's start with the usage bar. Up top to the right, you'll see your usage stats by clicking on this one. This is where you'll see how many actions, webinar hours, storage, and campaigns you've used based on your plan. And then for the campaign list, you'll see your active campaigns here. The campaigns that you see here are fully editable, but don't worry about that just yet. We'll set up your first campaign after your integrations are connected. Let's go to the analytics panel. So to access your analytics, you can either click on this one or go back to schedule, go to your past event, and click on this icon. This is where you'll see your event details or your analytics. Over time, this dashboard will display data from your events, including registrations, attendance rates, time watched, devices used, and more. So you can see that from here, the number of registrants, your attendees, non-attendees, average attendance time, and so on. This is how it looks like. Select the support chat. The support chat icon is on your bottom left corner. This is how it looks like. If you have any questions or you get stuck, you can just use the chat bubble here. Click on this one, and this is where you can send us any questions you have in case you get stuck. We are available Monday through Friday, 24 hours a day, and we typically reply within minutes. Now let's discuss your account menu. It's over here on the upper right. If you click this drop down arrow, this is where you can access your account settings and where you can open the full help center by toggling this, or you can also log out. Now if you want to change your theme from dark to light, you just have to click on this icon, switch back to light. There you have it. So before you create your first campaign, you'll want to connect your key integrations like Zoom, GoToWebinar, AStream, ActiveCampaign, Twilio, and more. That way, when we build your timeline later, you'll already have everything ready to plug in. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step. See you there!